Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kenny. How is everyone doing? In today's video, I'll be talking about how to buy pre-loved luxury in Japan using a proxy shopping service. So, I'm not sure about you, but I'm so passionate about Japan. There's just something about the culture, the people, the food, and for me especially, I enjoy the shopping. Everything, I think they have everything that you can possibly think of, and probably much more than what you could think of, to be honest. And I haven't been to Japan in almost like 2 years now. We planned like a trip last year, but it fell through, but because of a lot of things happening in the background. But I was so pleased that a Japanese company had reached out to me, which is a proxy shopping service called Buyee'S. So this video is in collaboration with Buyee'S and specifically Luxewholesale. Buyee'S is a Japanese proxy shopping service based in Japan. So they will help you shop items from Japan directly and ship it to any destinations all around the globe. So isn't that an absolute like perfect opportunity to shop things pre-loved from Japan? Especially Japan is so gaining a lot of traction, especially like shopping and sightseeing as well. So I am so elated that Luxewholesale specifically is collaborating on this video to let you know of how to buy pre-loved luxury goods in Japan. So yeah, stick around and I'm going to show you a bag that I chose, which was gifted to me by the brand. So I'm so excited for this. So basically what you need to start off, what you just need to do is register an account from the Buyee'S website. So once that has been set up and all, log into your account, and on the screen you will see a lot of tabs at the top of the Buyee'S website, and you'll find Luxewholesale over there, and you just click on it and you can start searching for any items, especially like luxury goods. I mean, it can range from bags, jewelries, watches, accessories, and apparels as well. So I have looked at a lot of things over here, especially like I'm kind of in a look for an Hermes Birkin bag, which is within my budget. I have seen a few of it. So yeah, you just go through whatever things that you can think of and it might be there. So how do you purchase these luxury goods from the Luxewholesale website? So you just look for an item that you're interested in and put the maximum bid that you could think of. And so, for example, you're bidding for a bag and your maximum bid you've put in was 80,000 yen and another bidder had put in 70,000 yen. So auction ends, you're still the highest bidder, and you just have to put in a bid increase range of 1,000 yen. So basically, you'll have to pay 71,000 yen. So that's how it works. You don't pay for the maximum bid that you put in. It's based on the second highest bid plus 1,000 yen bid increase range. So after the bid deadline, the auction results will be announced in 1 to 2 days. So for example, we put the bid in on the 22nd of January and the bid submission deadline is, let's say, a day after that, which is on the 23rd. And after 1 to 2 days, which is probably on the 25th, you will be notified of the auction results. So after that, they will notify if you won the bid or the auction. So shipping usually takes a week from Japan, coming to Australia. Well, depending on how urgently you need your goods. So there are a lot of shipping options over there. I think they're DHL, if I'm not mistaken. So that's so easy, isn't it? Very quick and easy, very straightforward. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna show you what I got. Ta-da! So I've been looking for this a vintage Coach bag in this specific combination. I'm gonna show you what I got. So a couple of years ago, I got this vintage Coach from a local Preloved shop over here in Melbourne. So I got this, but in gold hardware. This is in the brass combination or hardware, but I'm actually looking for it in this silver, like stainless steel hardware. It does have a lot of rubs and scratches all around the bag, but I actually quite like the wear on it. It's giving a lot of that beaten up Jane Birkin bag. So I mean, if I wanted to refurbish it, I could. I have a dye fabric, a leather dye that I can use it for, but I won the auction for 120 Australian dollars, and including shipping, I think I paid about 40 almost. So it was 160 Australian dollars. Still quite cheap if I'm comparing this to some of the Coach bags that I've seen on eBay, which I'm so elated by. So happy that I had added this bag in the collection. They're just twinning, but I just love this Coach bag. They're very durable, like quite hard wearing. I'm sure this is probably about 5+ years. So I love it. It's so good. Just look at that combo. Isn't that stunning? Love it. And also I have picked up this Shupato bag. It is quite a rare combination. This is in the extra large, if I'm not mistaken, or large size. So I'm very obsessed with these Shupato bags. They're like shopping bags that you can just fold over and just pop into your bag, just in case you might go for a grocery run or, you know, shopping anywhere. You can have it handy. So this is incredibly spacious and I'm so grateful for it. I love it. Look at that print in the batik print. So I got this from the Mercari website in Japan. So I'm also like mind blown that I can access some websites that aren't available here in Australia, like Mercari. So I got this, I guess, I can't even remember now, probably 25 Australian dollars. And normally they range for about $50 to $60 over here, which is incredible price. So yeah, there's a lot to be had looking and searching items there on the website. So I'm so also grateful for this collaboration, and it also like widened my horizon that I can also buy items directly from Japan, specifically on the websites that are actually listed there. So yeah, if you can't go to Japan, you know, there is another way of shopping from your home, from where you live. So that's an amazing avenue for shopping. So I would like to thank Buyee'S and Luxewholesale for collaborating with me on this video, and thank you guys for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys on my next video. If you have any other questions while shopping on the Luxewholesale website, I'm more than happy to help you. But yeah, I just wish you all a happy new year, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys, see ya.